You're back. Nice to see you. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you the step-by-step process that we took from demo all the way to completion for this beautiful raised patio here in Waterford, Michigan. This is a Unilock Beacon Hill patio with a Pisa 2 retaining wall. Looks really nice. And hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Got a nice curved area here. Got a nice step there, and just a simple outdoor space for a family to hang out. Hard not to enjoy this one. So if you guys are homeowners in Michigan and you're interested in a patio similar to this, feel free to give us a call. We'd love to help you. This is what you can expect from us. And if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.